Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson. In this we're going to learn about Taylor series, and this is our example 2. So you are told to find the Taylor series for the function f of x to be equal to e raised to a power x centered at c, where c is 3. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. If you're a returning viewer and a subscriber, don't forget to share the videos. So how do we tackle this? F prime of x, this one is always e raised to the power x, and f of 3 is e raised to the power 3. This one will be equal to, when you find the second derivative of x, you still get the same thing. When you find the third derivative of x, you still get the same thing. And even when you find the fourth derivative of x, and this one continues up to infinity. The same to this side. When you find the second derivative, the first derivative of 3, you still get the first derivative of 3. Now, this one is the second derivative of 3 up to the fourth derivative of 3. You still get e raised to a power 3. Now, f of x will be equal to, in Taylor series, you say f of x is equal to f of c plus f prime of c into x minus c raised to the power 1 plus second derivative of x into c into x minus c squared over 2 factorial plus the third derivative of f into c into x minus c raised to the power 3 over 3 factorial. Now, this one is when n is 0, when n is 2, when n is 3, right? So we'll have f of x. We are told f of x to be e raised to the power x. So e raised to the power x will be equal to f of c. F of c will be e raised to the power 3. Remember, c, we are told that c should be 3, and f of 3 was e raised to the power 3. So we have e raised to the power 3 plus f prime of c, or f complement of c, was still the same as e raised to the power 3. So you have e raised to the power 3 plus e raised to the power 3 into x minus c. C is 3 minus 3. Now you substitute raised to the power 1 plus e raised to the power 3 into x minus 3 squared over 2 factorial plus now e raised to the power 3 into x minus c. C is 3 raised to a power 3 over 3 factorial plus, and this one continues up to infinity, right? So we want to include a summative notation. So we'll have e raised to x should be equal to, we put the summative notation there, when n is 0 and to infinity, we'll have x minus 3 raised to a power n, raised to a power n over n factorial multiplied by e raised to power 3. E raised to power 3 affects everything here. So multiply by e raised to power 3. when n is 0, we have to get 1. When n is 1, we have to get 2, and so on. So this will be your solution for getting the Taylor series of the function given. If my videos have been of help to you, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video.